Who's ready to relax poolside for the day? Then hop on the water taxi with friends and family to enjoy a night out at Lakewood Ranch's newest addition, Waterside. As part of the Lakewood Ranch premier master plan community of Waterside, LakeHouse Cove is redefining waterfront living. This single-family new home community is surrounded by several lakes, such as Lake Mallard and Lake Eby's, as well as offering a variety of beautifully designed, spacious 1- and 2-story floor plans, many with lake or preserve views. An abundance of resort-style amenities are conveniently located in LakeHouse Cove, providing recreation, relaxation, and an incomparable lifestyle. Residents will enjoy a state-of-the-art community center, fitness center, and a resort-style pool. Looking to get more out in the water? A kayak launch with a boathouse and storage will be provided for residents, as well as dog parks, a playground, bocce ball, and pickleball courts. There's also the opportunity to relax and enjoy nature, as well as water-focused amenities, as Waterside Place will offer a neighborhood boat dock, waterfront restaurants, a public park, and a dog park. Water taxis will be available throughout the day from LakeHouse Cove to Waterside Place. In addition, Waterside will have over 20 miles of shores, sprawling nature preserves, and miles of trails. LakeHouse Cove will feature 391 single-family homes when complete, ranging from 1,600 square feet all the way up to 3,600 square feet. HOA fees will range depending on the section from $200 to $300 a month, and the CDD is about $2,000 annually. We hope you found this video valuable. We're so excited to help you find your dream home here on the beautiful Gulf Coast of Florida. Subscribe to our page on YouTube and give us a call today. It's our mission to show you what it's like to live, work, and play here in Manatee, Sarasota, and Pinellas. Our agents are excited to get to work for you.